Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing FLR Network Enshrined Future. It's going to be an interesting one, guys, so make sure to watch till the end. And folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. If you're interested in any of that stuff, then subscribe to the channel and hit the notification icon for regular videos. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well, only if you're interested. And folks, keep your assets safe, and for that you guys can check out the Crypto Growth exclusive discount offer on Decent. Decent is convenient, safe, and secure. You can check out their biometric wallet, which has got an attractive $50 off. And you can also check out their biometric wallet 2x package, guys, which has got an astonishing $129 off, only if you follow the link in the description box below. By the way, folks, Decent supports 3000 plus of your favorite coins and tokens, and it supports 50 plus blockchain mainnets. I personally prefer storing the assets in a cold hardware wallet, so do check out Decent and be safe. Anyways, guys, I've brought a really cool post for you guys from the official X handle over here, guys. Look at this. Let's revisit the concept of enshrined oracles, understand how FLR time series oracle is enshrined and how it will restore a decentralized, manipulation-resistant data layer. Enshrined oracles are here. FLR networks will be the catalyst. So guys, let's see what this post is all about, what this article is all about. A cool one, guys. I really like these FLR updates, guys. They keep the investors and holders on board. So let's check this out. Okay, guys, so this has been posted on September 9th, 2024. A latest post, official FLR Network website by Jun Chung. So shout out to Mr. or Miss Jun. Okay. Enshrined oracles. Understanding the FLR time series oracle. The concept of enshrined oracles isn't new. It has been an ongoing topic of research and experimentation in the blockchain space, with many developers and researchers recognizing both the potential benefits and inherent challenges of enshrined oracles. So guys, first things first, what is an enshrined oracle to begin with? So what are enshrined oracles? In the blockchain ecosystem, enshrined refers to integrating specific functionalities directly into the foundational layer, layer 1 of the blockchain itself. Basically, guys, an intrinsic part of the blockchain, of the network itself, instead of relying on third parties or an external component. So, unlike external or add-on services, enshrined features become an intrinsic part of the blockchain's core operations, offering built-in security, reliability, and decentralization. Basically, you do not have to rely on data from elsewhere. You can rely on your own data, that blockchain, that specific blockchain. Everything is intrinsic to its own core elements, guys. Okay, so enshrined oracles in Ethereum. Ethereum, the leading smart contract platform, has been considering enshrined oracles for several years, with discussions surfacing as early as 2020. The vision is to provide decentralized applications with native price feeds directly within the Ethereum protocol. These enshrined oracles offer notable benefits, such as significantly stronger immutability guarantees compared to external oracles. So guys, it has its own guarantees, its own pros instead of external oracles. This is why Ethereum has been considering them. However, the proposal sparked concerns about the potential impact on protocol neutrality. Vitalik Buterin, co-founder of Ethereum, was initially skeptical about enshrined oracles, fearing they might violate Ethereum's credibly neutral position, but over time he shifted his perspective, now supporting their inclusion as a way to enhance the network's efficiency and security. So why does this matter, guys? Performance is not the only problem. The development of oracles has shaped the broader blockchain landscape, highlighting the critical role oracles play as bridges between off-chain data and on-chain applications. Guys, without oracles, it is really difficult for blockchain to move ahead and carry on its vision to basically transform finance, to transform the economic system. It isn't possible. Why is that, guys? Because we need real world data, we need accurate data, and basically to get to get that data to the blockchain, oracles are needed, guys. So while improving traditional performance metrics such as speed, cost, and accuracy, it is important. The real challenge lies in designing oracles that are decentralized, permissionless, and trustworthy. So, guys, the ethos of blockchain, according to a lot of proponents, is decentralization. To be permissionless, permissionless means that no third party is involved, and trustworthy, guys. So this is the problem of blockchain, the layer ones, and this indeed is the problem of oracles as well. And this is where Flare network comes, guys. So what are the problems with the third-party oracles? Why cannot we rely on third-party oracles? One might question it. So look at this. Current third-party Oracle services rely on off-chain networks of nodes to provide data. For example, an Oracle network might utilize 10 independent data providers, but only a subset of these nodes might contribute to any given price feed. As illustrated below, this inconsistency can undermine data reliability and decentralization. So guys, the keyword is inconsistency, and if data isn't reliable, if it is not decentralized, then what's the point of that oracle? What's the point of that data? Basically, look at this: DAP1, DAP2, price feed 1, example USD KRW, price feed 2, example USD Ethereum, off-chain entities. You can see it, decentralized Oracle network, guys. Cool. Research shows that some cases as few as 5 data providers are used for some price feeds, creating an extremely low threshold for collusion. Given that billions of dollars in decentralized finance rely on such oracles, this creates potential points of failure and manipulation. So, guys, centralization, the control lies outside of that native blockchain. So this is a problem, guys. It has security concerns as well as it increases costs as well, because if a blockchain relies on external data to get that data on your own chain, it will require a lot of funds, or it will cost a lot. And obviously, guys, relying on third-party oracles will create security concerns for the blockchain as well. If data is manipulated or controlled, it can basically create issues for the blockchain. So guys, what is the Flare solution, guys? Look at this. To address these challenges, we've got number 1, Flare Time Series Oracle FTSO. This Oracle provides up to 1,000 price feeds, guys. Awesome. Updating with each block approximately every 1.8 seconds. So 1,000 price price feeds means that we've got accurate data, guys. We've got reliable data, accurate data, up to date. Flare Data Connector (FDC). It delivers verifiable, secure data from both connected blockchains and Web2 APIs. These oracles are enshrined into Flare, ensuring stronger security and performance. It is a part and intrinsic to the Flare network itself. Look at this: Flare on-chain, dApps, Flare Time Series Oracle, blockchain and Web2 Oracle, all network validators. All validators contribute to every price. Network agrees every update based on stake, and delegate, and these are the FLR holders, guys. So it's got dual role validators. Flare's validators double as both validators and data providers. Staked and delegated FLR. Approximately 67% of Flare's circulating total supply is either staked or delegated to secure these infrastructure providers. So what are the key benefits of FLR's enshrined oracles, guys? It is secure, it is fast, it is free data access. So basically, the traditional oracles often charge for data feeds, but FLR's enshrined oracles provide data for free, guys. So obviously, we're talking about costs. It has got design flexibility as well. So what is the future, guys? FLR isn't stopping with its current enshrined Oracle offerings. The upcoming FTSO version 2 will further improve the system by enhancing both the speed and capacity of data delivery. So guys, any project or any product, it needs to continuously update and improve, guys, to stand the test of time. So FTSO version 2 will be doing that for FLR network. It will improve speed, capacity of data delivery. So basically, guys, enshrined oracles mark a significant evolution in blockchain technology, offering secure, in a nutshell, guys, it provides secure, decentralized, and cost-effective data solutions. So guys, what do you guys think about FLR network and its data solutions, its oracles, its ecosystem, its infrastructure? I would really like your opinions. Do hit the comment box below and let the community know. Anyways, guys, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification icon if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out. Like I always say in the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.